Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create RAR and zip archives by packing and archiving your files into them. So in order to do that, we'll need to locate the files that we want to pack, and mine are located in DCIM and then camera. There's 3 pictures which I'm gonna pack into RAR and RAR file. So here select them with the switches, each file that you want to pack, press on this plus button. Right now you'll be able to customize archiving options, and here change the name. So for example, I'm gonna call it pictures. Next, change the extension from RARZip to RAR 4.x. So I'm going with RAR 1. You can set the password for this archive, and for me it's gonna be 123. It's optional, you don't need to do it. You can show the password if you're not sure that you typed it in correctly, and encrypt the file names as well. Press OK to save that, and also here you can enable or disable delete files after archiving or create solid archives. If you move to advanced settings, you can find more advanced options, and in the options you can get even more options. Here's the comment section in which you can leave any comment about this archive. After everything is set, click OK, and the files will be packed into a RAR file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.